Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have Lightroom Present. Here is 31 bundle and total presents are 2000 plus. So first I show you some present like this bright pistol. You see here is 117 files. Food bundle present. You see, okay, and Amila, and click on preview. You see the preview, and next is bright white, grease, sunny. Okay, and here is a retouching Lightroom Photoshop present photo editing mega bundle. One file for Photoshop and second is for Lightroom. You see here the overlay, sun dust, light leaks, and present for Camera Raw, Window or Mac. Here is Lightroom present and retouch brush. Here is 62 files and bundle Lightroom. I think I already see it. Big Lightroom bundle. Here is 915 travel present and okay. Here is 19 sunset present, 95 files. Click on add on and click Lightroom present, and then you see here next retouching Lightroom Photoshop present and RR Rainer Lightroom present and gel toolkit photo editing mega bundle. Click here and wait 30 seconds, and then you click on download button. The last is 30 product photography Lightroom present. And you can click on download button. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.